let's begin the simple breath work with stretch your leg. So we're going to do simple stretching here. Circle your ankles, loosen up all the muscle, and then wiggly on your toes, flat and point your feet. Bend your knees, hands behind the back, twisting from side to side. Loosen up on your stomach area. And then come back. Now we come to easy sitting cross-legged. If you want, you can sit on a cushion. So this helps you to sitting up straight, nice and tall. Move your buttock to make sure you feel comfortable and your spine straight, shoulders open and relaxed. Okay, and now from here, roll on your wrist. Just circle your wrist, wiggling your hand. And now breathing in, sweep both of the arm up. And breathing out, release. Breathing in, up. Breathing out, release. Last one, in and out. And now place your hands on your knees and then just simple circle on your shoulder. Loosen up on your neck, your shoulders, your upper back, and your chest. And now from here, you can bring your hands together behind the back and then just pull your hands away from your body and feel like you're opening up your chest here and slightly looking up. Gently stretch the fronts of your neck and just breathe for a few more circle of breath. And then release your hand. And now move your shoulder a little bit here. From side to side. Move whatever makes you feel good around your shoulders and your chest. Roll your shoulder back and down, up, back and down. And now from here, with your right hand, place just above your eyebrow here. Don't have to push, only place here gently. Drop your head onto your right shoulder, just to give your the left side of your neck gently stretch. And then release. Now Shane, use your left hand, just gently place on top of your right eyebrow, and then drop the head towards your left shoulder, and then just gently stretch. And then come back. And now from here, let's begin with both of your palm placing on top of your collarbone. Now when you're breathing in, feel your collarbone lift up towards your hand. Breathing out, your collarbone relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now move your hands with your forefinger. Place on your rib cage, just below your breast, and your thumb behind your back. So basically, just here, forefinger here, okay? And now relax on your shoulders. As you're breathing in, feel your hand pulling apart. Feel your ribcage expand. As you're breathing out, feel your hands, your forefinger gently drawing inward toward each other, and your ribcage relax. Okay, inhale, expand. Exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale. Now move your right palm, place on your stomach. Left palm, place behind your back, around your lower back here, relaxing your shoulders. Breathing in, feel your stomach expand towards your right hand and your lower back expand towards your left hand. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now release your hand, turn your palm facing up, place on your knees with your index and your thumb touch. And now you're going to close your eyes, gently close your eyes here. Remember what you just did with the breathing. Gently, when you're breathing in, feel your body expand. Breathing out, feel your body is relaxed. Remember, when you're breathing in, your body expands like a balloon. Breathing out, your body flat. Next, inhale, count up 2, 1. Exhale, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 1. Exhale, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 1. Exhale, 2, 1. In, 2, 1. Out, 2, 1. In, 2, 1. Out, 2, 1. Relax your breath. Next, inhale, count 4. Exhale, count 4. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your breath. Breathe in and out naturally here. Allows your breath to flow freely. Take a moment to notice any differences happening with your breath at the moment. And this state, if you wish, you can continue with breathing that we just practiced, or you can stay in the stillness for a little while, for meditate. Otherwise, if you wish, you can gently open your eyes and start your day.